So guys, for today's vlog, pupunta tayo ng munisipyo. Ayun, kasi labig na labig sa labas oh. Ano pala, ano oras na? 6:14, pero magtututbrush muna ako. Then, bibis na ako. Pero bawal yung short sa munisipyo. Magpapantalon na lang ako. Sige. Yung makamit. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! So, pupunta tayo ng City Mall. Oras na pala. Now, it's 6:51.
A few moments later.
You're really good at saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you gotta have.
A little longer than a few minutes later. A few moments later.
Water Leasing, Philippine Spring Water Resources Incorporated, Nature Spring.
Sige. Ganyan po ba?
Center. Doon po kayo mag-park. Bawal yan dyan, no?
Tika.
A few moments later.
Ano siya? Nagsimula lumabo lang yung mata niya.
little longer than a few minutes later.
As of 1:30 PM past. Pero katapos na niya yung paggawa ng
Hatid ko na si Evan.
oh, hatid na. Tapos na ang kuha ng business permit. Tsaka yung munisipyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Just click like, comment, share, subscribe. Now, I'll see you then.